Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. I'm your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Okay, class 5, today we are going to read story The Shoemaker and the Elves. It's this dialogue of a shoemaker with the different characters. There are different characters in this. George, who is a shoemaker, Kelly, his wife, Maria, William, जो उनके कस्टमर्स आते हैं स्टोरी में, एंड जैकब, एंड देर आर 4 एल्व्स. एल्व्स किसे कहते हैं? एक मैजिकल क्रिएचर को. कॉबी, स्पार्कल्स, स्टिची एंड बार्ट. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑन पेज नंबर 9, सीन 1. इट्स अ डायलॉग. नरेटर जो कि स्टोरी को एक्सप्लेन करता है, डायलॉग इसमें. मैनी ईयर्स अगो देयर लिव्ड अ काइंड गुड हार्टेड शूमेकर इन अ क्लीन पीसफुल विलेज. हिज नेम वॉज जॉर्ज and he lived with his wife Kelly. She liked her husband, was very generous and kind. George and Kelly both are very kind and generous. They lived in a peaceful and clean village. 6 o'clock, and things are very awful. George, Kelly is calling George, you have worked so hard, yet we have nothing. We have eaten only cabbage for weeks. We can't buy leather to make more shoes to sell because we don't have any money. We will surely starve. कैली जॉर्ज से क्या कह रही है कि आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो, इतना काम करते हो, बट फिर भी हमारे पास इतनी मनी नहीं है कि हम मज़ीद लेदर को ख़रीद सकें जिससे और शूज़ बना सकें. एंड डेली बेसिस पे वी हैव टू ईट कैबेज. If someone does not buy shoes from us. George, dear Kelly, don't worry. I'm sure we will find a buyer soon. I will finish these shoes by tomorrow. जॉर्ज अपनी वाइफ केली को समझाता है कि आप बिल्कुल अपसेट नहीं हो, जल्दी इंशाल्लाह हमें कोई बायर मिल जाएगा. केली, I hope you are right. You must be as hungry as I am. I'm so tired of eating cabbage. I wish I could have bits of meat and soft potatoes. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Come, let's go some rest. It's getting late. केली जो होती है वो डाउटफुल होती है. वो कह रही है मैं कैबेज से डेली बेसिस पे खा खा के तंग आ गई हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू ईट मीट एंड पोटैटोज. Town cry. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Life is full of surprises. George, I have got to finish these shoes. Someone will need a new pair. George looked at the shoes in shock. To his surprise, they were already done. Kelly, George, how did you finish these shoes so quickly? Oh, and look at them. These are so beautiful. George, it's a miracle. I don't know who could have done this. I must put them in the window. They are so splendid. Splendid means beautiful. They will be sold soon. Maria, pointing to the window. Someone is passing from the window. Oh, William, these are the finest shoes I have ever seen. Please buy them for me. Maria विलियम से क्या कहती हैं कि ये बहुत खूबसूरत शूज़ हैं, आप इन्हें ख़रीद लें. William, oh kind shoemaker, how much are these fine shoes for? George, 25 marks. Let me wrap them for you. Kelly, George, you have never sold a pair of shoes for so much money. We are rich enough leather. We are rich. We can buy meat and potatoes. I can taste the meat right now. We can also have enough leather for 2 pair of shoes. 25 marks के उन्होंने सेल आउट किए थे. तो Kelly was so much happy and she was surprised. She said to her husband George कि अब हम मीट और पोटैटोज़ ख़रीद सकते हैं और हमारे पास इसके बाद भी इतनी रकम है कि हम न्यू शूज़ के लिए लेदर ख़रीद सकें. जॉर्ज, आई हैव इनफ मनी टू बाय लेदर फॉर 6 शूज़. आई हैव कट द लेदर ऑलरेडी. टुमारो आई विल स्टिच दैम टुगेदर. Kelly, these shoes will be even more wonderful than the ones you made today. Let's enjoy our fluffy potatoes and juicy meat. Next day, town crier. On the next day, a new day, a new morning. It's 9 a.m. and things are looking better. George, Kelly, come quickly. Another miracle has taken place. All 6 pair of shoes are finished. Kelly, this is wonderful, but who could have done this? Look at the workmanship. They will bring a good price. Put them in the window so people can see them. वो 6 के 6 शूज़ रेडी होते हैं और कैली उनको कहती है कि आप शू वर्कमैनशिप को लाएं और इसको विंडो में प्लेस करें ताकि आपके शूज़ सारे सेल हो जाएं. And I must have those brown shoes with red flowers. They are the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen. I will pay you 30 marks for your fine work. Brown shoes जो red flowers के साथ होते हैं वो एन को बहुत पसंद आते हैं. And she says that I will pay 30 marks for these shoes. Jacob, I would like to buy the black boots. The work is superb. I will pay you 50 marks for your fine work. George, they are yours. Let me wrap them for you. Town cry. And another day, on the same day, 12 o'clock noon, and things are looking very fine. And so it went on. Each day, shoemaker would buy more leather and cut it out. The next morning, beautiful pair of shoes would be placed on the workbench. The kind, gentle, good-hearted, and no longer poor shoemaker and his sweet, generous wife became very rich. They had enough money to buy meat, potatoes, nice clothes, and beautiful leather for new shoes. They never had to eat cabbage again. अब उनके पास इतनी ज़्यादा रकम आ गई थी कि वो एक अच्छी लाइफ स्पेंड कर रहे थे, अपनी पसंद का खाना भी खा रहे थे और न्यू शूज़ के लिए लेदर भी बाय कर सकते थे. George, my dear wife, did you make these shoes for me? So I had something to sell. Kelly, no. I thought you were working hard all through the night. George, we will stay awake at night to see who had been helping us. They were surprised कि वो तो रात में सो जाते हैं तो who are preparing these shoes for them. So they have made a plan. They will wake at night to see who is doing all the things for them. It's midnight. The night has a lot of mysteries. Kelly and George waited up all night to see who was helping them. Then 4 little elves entered the room dancing and jumping. You can see in this picture that elves, there are 4 elves जो कि बहुत खुश नज़र आ रहे हैं, हेल्प करने के लिए आए हैं जॉर्ज की और कैली की. Elves singing together. Let's help the shoemaker in making new shoes. Cobby, one of elves, he once gave food to poor Bart when he was hungry. Mr. George is a nice man with a good heart. Mr. George ने एक दफ़ा हेल्प की थी, एक बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. कॉबी जो हैं वो बात करें, he once gave a food to poor Bart. यानी बार्ट एक दफ़ा बहुत भूखे थे, हंग्री थे, तो उन्होंने उनको खाना प्रोवाइड किया था. Cobby, Sparkles, Stitchy and Bart started making the shoes. Kelly and George looked from behind the door. Kelly, do you know them? What are these creatures? George, I can't remember who they are. I think I met Bart once. वही बार्ट को उनको याद आ रहा है कि शायद वो उनसे मिले थे जिसकी एक दफ़ा उन्होंने मदद की थी. He was hungry and came to my shop. I had only cabbage to eat at that time. Since he was hungry, I gave half of my food to him. यानी कि मुझे भी भूख लगी थी लेकिन मेरे पास जो कैबेज थी उसमें से हाफ मैंने बार्ट को दे दी. Kelly, it's good thing you help someone even if you didn't have enough. यानी कि बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आपने जो आपके पास था उसमें से दूसरे की हेल्प की. This is the end of the story. We learn from George and Kelly's story that kindness goes a long way. The universe works in magical ways to help kind-hearted and good-natured people. It's not about what you have, it's about what you can give to the world. So, what we have learned from the story that we should help each other in every matter. So, I hope कि आपने भी स्टोरी से एक अच्छा सबक हासिल किया होगा. Read this story again carefully. You will enjoy and help each other. Okay, class. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.